Does your iPhone screen still look like this? If it does, you're wasting one of the coolest tricks Apple ever gave you. Most people are still staring at the same old default home screen, flat background, static icons, nothing inspiring. But here's the part nobody tells you. You don't need apps, themes, or a new phone to upgrade it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to turn your screen into smooth liquid glass using settings already on your device. This is one of Apple's best hidden visuals, and it's been sitting in your phone the whole time. Imagine transforming that dull screen into something that looks and feels like liquid glass. A home screen with vibrant glowing colors that shift and blend beautifully, icons that seem to float weightlessly above the surface, and widgets that are perfectly transparent, creating a seamless and elegant sense of depth. This isn't a concept, it's a reality you can have in minutes. Today I'm showing you how to create this exact liquid glass look, step by step, using powerful features that are already on your phone completely free. By the end of this video, your iPhone will have a custom premium aesthetic that feels brand new and is guaranteed to turn heads. Let's get started. Liquid glass isn't Apple's name. It's a style you create using blur, transparency, and clean widgets. It makes your iPhone feel like you're looking through a sheet of smooth glass. First, make sure your iPhone is up to date. Go to Settings, tap General, and select Software Update. Any recent version of iOS works, as long as it supports the new widget and wallpaper features. Next, choose a wallpaper that actually shines under glass. Bright gradients, colorful shapes, soft waves, anything simple and clean works best. Avoid dark, busy photos. They fight against the glass effect. Now apply the same wallpaper to both your lock screen and home screen. This is what makes your phone feel seamless, like one smooth sheet of glass from top to bottom. Hold up, if you're learning something already, go ahead and show some love. Hit like so YouTube knows this helping somebody miss, and slow pan across iPhone showing lock to home transition again from a different angle. Consistent colors and depth. Step 4, adding clean, functional widgets. The goal is to choose widgets that feel integrated with our liquid glass aesthetic, making your phone both beautiful and practical. On the lock screen, simplicity is key. We want information that looks like it's floating on the glass. Stick to essentials like the single line, weather widget, calendar, or activity rings. On the home screen, long press an empty space and tap the plus icon. A small or medium widget is usually best to avoid overwhelming the design. We'll add 1 or 2 clean widgets like weather or a simple clock. The goal is to maintain an airy feel, so don't place them too close together. Here's a micro tip. Pick widgets with subtle color accents that align with your wallpaper. Many will adapt automatically, creating a cohesive custom designed look. Now turn on the depth and blur settings so everything feels smooth and layered. On your lock screen, enable depth effect if it's available. On your home screen, use the blur options so your wallpaper glows behind your apps. Here's a bonus tip. You can link different glass styles to different focus modes. One look for work, one for personal life, one for nighttime, and your phone changes automatically. Fast crossfades between 3 paired locked home screens showing work, personal, sleep glass style themes. Now look at this difference. Before, flat, dull, and crowded. After, clean blur, smooth transparency, and bright colors floating under glass. It gives your iPhone that premium, polished look. If yours still looks too busy, remove one widget and simplify the wallpaper. If the text is hard to read, increase the blur or switch to a lighter background. A steady hold on refined home screen with airy layout and subtle parallax motion. And there you have it, a simple yet incredibly effective way to transform your iPhone's interface into something that feels more personal, fluid, and organized. This liquid glass effect isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a digital space that feels calm and uniquely yours, reducing clutter and helping you focus on what truly matters. We've shown you a few of our favorite color palettes, but the real magic happens when you start experimenting with your own gradients and find a look that perfectly matches your mood. So if you try this liquid glass setup, we'd love to see what you create. Drop your favorite color combinations and gradient choices in the comments below. Your ideas could inspire the entire community. And if you appreciate clean, impactful iPhone tricks like this one, please consider supporting the channel. Liking the video helps our content reach more people, and sharing it with a friend is the best compliment you can give. Most importantly, subscribe to Dusty Seconds Tips and Tricks and hit that notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on our next simple upgrade to make your tech work better for you. Thanks for watching.